I have these first two pieces, and whatever's on top, I align the edge of the seam allowance to the actual seam of the bottom piece, right on top. And then I check the other one, and it looks like it's pretty close. But right here on top of the seam itself. So if there's a little excess, because this is the bias edge of the fabric, I just pull it over, or just gently, not pulling, and make sure to ease in whichever piece is a little bit bigger. I know that my 1/4 inch is directly under the edge of the foot, so then just sew as straight as I can and guide it with my stiletto, lining it up and feeding the next one in right behind it. But let's take a look to see if I know what I'm talking about. There, this one is really nice. This one is off just a little bit, but I'm not going to cry about that. But if you have your accurate 1/4 inch, that really does a nice trick with that. And then when I'm done feeding those through, then I would take the last one and lay it. Whatever's on top, that aligns the seam, the edge of the seam allowance right here aligns on top of the intersection of the bottom seam. Oops. Threads. I looked through so many books. That's how I taught myself. But I could not find it. They say pin. Well, where do you pin? Where do you align? Nobody shows where to align those pieces to make them come out. So I had to kind of figure this out on my own. And it works. The first ones I tried to sew were just regular diamonds for a 45-degree angle, and that would be for an 8-pointed star. That's when I discovered that trick, so it should work for that also. Okay, this is the most fun. It's like a Christmas present every time, opening it up to see what I got. And here, now look, I didn't even use pins. So for me, this trick works. I really hope it works for you too.